A 10-minute fat-burning workout that actually works. These exercises are included in many intense training programs that take no more than 10 minutes. You can get in shape in a very short time, and all you need to do is get the technique right. Even the busiest people can find time for this simple set of 7 exercises. You can perform all of them while watching the video. Give it a try. It's an easy and fun workout. Before beginning your training, do a warm-up. Warm up properly to avoid getting injured during the exercises. While warming up, you can do some squats. For a start, do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great! Also, try some arm and leg swings. Body rotations and bends. And neck and knee warm-ups. Now you are ready for our fat-burning workout. Let's begin. Exercise number 1. Sumo jump squats. Set your legs wide apart with your toes outward. Pull your hips back a bit. Now squat until your knees are bent at a right angle. Strain your buttocks, jump straight up, and land softly. You should repeat the exercise 12 times. I'll give you 30 seconds to finish the set and we'll count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 3 reps left. 10, 11, 12. Well done! You're ready for the next one. By the way, you should do all the exercise one after another, only stopping to rest if you need it. Exercise number 2. Push-ups with a raised hand. Take up the plank position with your legs, back, and neck forming a straight line. Breathing in, bend your elbows to form right angles and go down. Breathing out, push yourself up and touch your shoulder with the opposite hand. You should repeat it 12 times, changing hands. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do this propped on your knees. 5, 6, 7. Are you feeling your muscles burn? That means you're doing it right. 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one, 12. The set includes 7 exercises, and we've already done 2. Keep on going! Your dream body is on the way. Exercise number 3. Jump plank. Take up the plank position with your legs, back, and neck forming a straight line, your leg and stomach muscles strained. Pull your feet up to your hands in a jump, then jump up, straightening your arms up as well. Return to the sitting prop position and jump back to the initial one. How many reps should you do? 12 again. I'll give you 30 seconds. It should be enough. Ready there? Go! Keep in mind that the workout should make you feel energized but not exhausted. Do it nice and easy. Don't push yourself too hard. If you feel tired, pause the video and take a break. While performing the exercise, Try to concentrate on your muscle work and get rid of negative thoughts. Positive thinking is very important. Are you done? No time to be lazy. Let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise number 4. Knee pull plank. The initial position is a plank propped up on your elbows. Pull your left knee to your left elbow, then return to the initial position. Repeat with your other leg. As usual, you should repeat the exercise 12 times. If you don't want to count while exercising, just keep doing it for 30 seconds. Here's your half minute. Pull your left knee to your left elbow, then return to the initial position. Now do it for the right knee. Left. Right. Keep going until the time runs out. Number 5. Jumps forward and to the side. Jump up and to the side from the half squat position. Then jump to the other side. How many reps should you do? 12 of course. Do you want me to count for you? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're doing great, don't stop. 8, 9, 10, 11, the last one, 12. Are you okay? If you need a break, pause the video, drink some water, walk around the house, and wipe off the sweat with a towel. I'll give you 10 seconds to rest, okay? But do not sit down. Keep moving. Ready now? Okay. Exercise 6. Plank with a raised hand. Do the plank with your legs, back, and neck forming a straight line and your leg and stomach muscles strained. Smoothly lift your right arm until it's parallel to the floor, moving your right leg to the side. Return to the initial position and do the same for your other arm. Let's repeat 3 times for each side. Start with the right arm and right leg. 1, 2, 3. Now the left side. 1, 2, and 3. Well done! You know what? We're on to the last exercise. Exercise number 7. Jumps with knees to the chest. Set your heels shoulder width apart. Your knees should be slightly bent, and your hands are in front of you. Jump up and pull your knees to your chest as high as you can. Land softly. Get ready and repeat the exercise 12 times. Here's your half minute. Do it nice and easy, no rush. If you perform this set of exercises regularly, your whole body will transform within a few weeks. How are you doing there? Feeling exhausted? That's okay. Only 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! Repeat the whole set every 2 days and try to increase the number of reps. After 3 weeks, raise the time of the training to 20 minutes.